Okay, here we are. We started at 10:30. It's now 2.5 hours later, just to give you an idea of the time that we utilize in doing a house this size. The roof's been cleaned. We've done the edging around the flower beds, got rid of all the mold and the algae. We go the extra mile. We also do the concrete pads for the air conditioning units. They get very moldy and algae. You can see we've got all the green algae off the windows. Now when we do the screens, we have to back up just a little bit. It gets them clean, but if we get too close because of the pressure involved, a lot of times the screens will tear. We hose everything down after we're done. All the wasp nests are gone. Just to give you an idea of what the finished product looks like. These are the stepping stones on the other side, or garden borders. A lot of people will come in and they say, I want my house pressure washed, and they'll leave these stones all nasty and moldy. I can't see it personally. Okay, we're going to come over to the shady side of the house, just to give you an idea. Again, no wasp nests. This house had quite a few of them. There were like 15 altogether, and fully loaded. Well, we thank you for watching West Coast Video. Give us a call. We'll be happy to come do some service for you, and we're definitely customer oriented. Thanks for viewing our video.